Change of degree part 2. I have already aired a video on how to change degree part 1. If anyone still has not watched the video, please watch the previous video first, then watch it. Now let us start. Degree change part 2. We know there are 3 types of degrees: superlative, comparative and positive. Superlative, comparative and positives, and we have already told you how to identify superlative, comparative and positive. Today we are taking an example here. Iron is one of the hardest metals. Most important thing is that from part 1 to part 2, the difference is that here one of these 2 words comes just before the, and the noun is in plural form, metals. This is most important and vital things. One of the, before the superlative form, hardest, one of the, and after that the one of the noun takes its plural form. So how can you change from superlative to comparative? We know that the subject and verb of superlative remain the same as in the comparative. So what is the subject? Iron is. Iron is here. Iron is. Both are same. Only you have to change this portion. This portion. You have to change this portion. This portion is one of the hardest. That means one of the superlative form. What you will write? One of the plus adjective in superlative form. This portion you have to only change this portion. Now you can write here iron is harder. You know that hard, harder, hardest. So harder is the comparative form. Harder, and if you write comparative form harder, automatically you write than, this word than, harder than most other metals. So you have to change this portion. So one of the hardest, you should write harder than most other. So how can we write another examples? Here is another example. One of the most popular. One of the most popular. Only you have to change more popular than most other. More popular than most other. This portion you have only to change this portion. So if we change superlative to comparative, iron is one of the hardest metals. The answer is iron is harder than most other metals. What is the remaining portion? Metals. Here also metals. So the tricks is you just put the subject and verb, superlative, comparative, both are same, subject and verb. Now only change one of, then the adjective form, the third form of the adjective. This portion you will have to change. In this one of the plus third form, you will change. In place of one of the plus third form, more. Comparative form plus than most other. Comparative form than most other. And word remains metals. Here also metals. Now come to the second example. Football was one of the most popular games. Football was one of the most popular games. So the subject here and verb, football was, here also football was. One of the most popular turns into more popular than most other. This portion only you have to change this portion. Remaining per games, games. Remaining per games and games. Now come from comparative to positive. From comparative to positive. How we change from comparative to positive? Just take a look here. The first example, iron is harder than most other metals. In the previous lesson, we have already discussed that the subject will change. The subject of comparative and positive cannot be same. So the subject must change. So what you write here? Most other, from here, most other matters. Most other matters, in its place, most other, you only write very few. Very few matters. Very few matters. So the answer is very few matters. In the place of most other matters, you write only most other. In the place of most other, you write very few. Very few matters. Next, obviously, it should be very important. The verb should be in plural form. The verb should be in plural form. So, very few matters are. Here the noun should be the noun matters. So, it is matter. So, after that, are. Next comes as. In positive, repeat as or so as. You write here as. Next, the positive form. As. Then the adjective in positive form. As it is positive degree, so adjective is the first form or positive form. Hazard as iron. Hazard as. Next, iron comes as iron is the first subject. So from comparative to positive, when turn we comparative positive, you take the last word. That means most other matters or complement. At the first, you put in the place of most other, you just put and very few. In place of most other, you write very few. Then the matters or the other nouns plus plural verb. This should be very important. Plural verbs plus as plus adjective in the positive form. Then as, then the first subject. Only the first subject. So the answer next. Football was more popular than most other games. So from here, we can take from here most other games. In the place of most other, we should write very few. Very few. Then games. Games, as it is, it should be in plural form. So it is in past form. So past was plural form. Where. Then as popular, the base form, the positive form popular, as football. As popular, as football. So it's very simple. To turn comparative, superlative to comparative, then positive. Then positive with the example of one of the. Now we come to another type. Type 3. This type we cannot transform it into superlative because here the comparison is between two things or two objects. So now take an example. Tiger is faster than deer. So obviously it is in comparative form. Tiger is faster than deer. We know that the subject of comparative and positive cannot be same. So here the second subject, you can remember that tiger is faster than deer. There is an is here understood. So the second subject, it is the second subject. Take the second subject first. So deer is, look at the example. It is an affirmative sentence. If there is no not, you just put a not. So first, second subject comes first, then you put a not, then the answer is deer is not, then the positive form as fast as fast, faster, as fast as the next, the second subject. Here is also understood. So tiger is faster than deer. If we change it into it is comparative. If we change it into positive form, this is positive form. This is positive form. If we change into positive form, so deer, the answer will be deer is not as fast as tiger. So take the first subject first, second subject first, deer. This comes here. Next the verb. Then if you do not see any negative word, you just put not. Then you come faster. This portion. Always change this portion because it is the portion of the degree. So as fast as, fast, faster, faster. So positive form is fast. Positive form preceded and followed by both as fast as. Then just write the fast. Fast subject tiger is comes here. So the answer is, the question is tiger is faster than deer. The answer is deer is not as fast as tiger. Next, take example. here, we were as brave as he. We were as brave as he. Here was also understood. It is in past tense. So it is. Look at the example. So as brave as, it is the identical mark. It is in positive degree. So we have to turn into comparative. How can we turn into comparative? It's the same rule. The second subject comes first. So he, as it is in the past tense, the verb we, after we, the question in the question why. So after he, we write he was. Next, there is no negative word, so just put a negative word, not. Then as brave as, this portion must be changed. Brave, braver, comparative from braver. Next, then the first subject we. So he was not braver. He was not braver than. Then we should remember the first subject, only the first subject. So it is the answer. So here, how can we? There is some tricks. There are some tricks we can remember here. So the tricks are here from the beginning. Number one, the plus superlative. If you find the sentence the plus superlative, and give me an example, the plus best. What should be in comparative? This portion, only this portion, changing portion. I only telling you about, I am talking about the changing portion. The plus superlative form, the plus best. I am giving an example. This should be changed into, how is it changed? Comparative plus than plus any other. What would be the example? The example, the best, in the place of the best, we should write better than. Better than any other. Better than any other. In the place of better than any other. Just change this portion. Look at this portion. The best, better than any other. So the plus superlative change into the plus superlative change into comparative plus than any other. In the positive, what should we do? Than any other. This portion. Than any other. Than any other. This portion. So look at here. This portion. Than after that any other. This portion should be changed at the first. No other subject plus verb plus as positive adjective as. So comparative form, better than any other. There will be some noun. So this portion should be here. The answer should be here. You change this portion and you must remember that this portion should come first. No other subject plus as good as. This. The changing portion is here. This is the changing portion. You should only concentrate on those portions. So again, one clue, superlative sentence. Most of the superlative sentences are in simple sentence. Simple, they are in simple. This sentence is complex. This sentence is complex. This sentence is also complex. Now, take another look. This portion is very important. He was not brave than we. If we write the answer, we were as brave as he, not him. Sometimes students write here him, but it's a wrong. He, because he is used here as a subject. After he was is understood. So, bye for the day. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Your one subscription will give me a lot of inspiration for my next videos. Thank you.